Throughout Dune Part 2, every design choice helps build a world that feels both ancient and futuristic. The architecture, gadgets, and symbols all play a crucial role in storytelling, bringing this vision to life with stunning visuals and deep symbolism. Whether it's the practical Thumpers and Stillsuits, the subtle yet powerful Windtraps, or the iconic house symbols that define each faction, these elements all come together to create a world that feels as real as it is fantastical. Our journey begins with the Thumper, a device as simple as it is crucial. Imagine standing in the vast, shifting sands of Arrakis. In your hand, you hold what looks like a metallic stake. This is your Thumper, your first line of defense against the monstrous sandworms that roam the desert. With each rhythmic pound into the sand, it creates vibrations that lure these behemoths away from your location. Now let's talk about what you're wearing, the Stillsuit. This isn't just clothing, it's a marvel of engineering that keeps you alive in the unforgiving desert. Every drop of moisture your body produces, sweat, breath, even urine, is reclaimed and recycled into drinkable water. The suit's sleek, form-fitting design isn't just for aesthetics. Every layer, every fiber serves a purpose, working in harmony with your body's natural processes. It's a testament to the Fremen's deep understanding of their environment and their bodies. But survival on Arrakis isn't just about individual equipment. Look closely at the rocky outcrops, and you might spot a wind trap. These ingenious structures are nearly invisible, blending seamlessly with the landscape. They harvest moisture from the air itself, providing precious water to entire Fremen communities. It's a large-scale application of the same principle that governs the Stillsuit. In the world of Dune, information is as vital as water. This is where scope lenses come in. These aren't just ordinary binoculars. Fremen scouts use various types of lenses, each designed for a specific purpose. Some cut through the desert glare, others detect the slightest movement from afar, and some allow for pinpoint accuracy in combat situations. Mastering the use of these lenses can mean the difference between life and death in the open desert. Communication across the vast expanses of Arrakis presents unique challenges. The Fremen radio might look rugged and primitive at first glance, but this durable device allows for long-range coordination of Fremen activities. Its design prioritizes reliability in extreme conditions, the ability to communicate across great distances. And finally, we come to a weapon that embodies Fremen tactical brilliance. In a world where massive ornithopters dominate the skies, the Fremen needed a way to level the playing field. This launcher fires adhesive mines or explosives that stick to enemy aircraft. It's a perfect example of asymmetric warfare, using relatively simple technology to take down advanced enemy forces. The weapon's effectiveness lies not just in its destructive power, but in its ability to create chaos and confusion among enemy ranks. As we shift our focus to the broader world of Dune, let's take a closer look at the Harkonnen Ornithopter pilot headgear. These neural interface headpieces create a direct connection between the pilot and their aircraft, allowing for unparalleled control and precision in flight. The distinctive design, with advanced visual interfaces and life support systems, blends form and function seamlessly. Nowhere is the Harkonnen approach more evident than in their command center. The strategic console dominates the room, a black monolith, pulsing with holographic displays. Real-time battle information floats in the air, allowing Harkonnen strategists to control their forces across the planet. The console's design, angular, cold, efficient, mirrors the Harkonnen worldview. It's a stark contrast to the organic, adaptive technology of the Fremen. Even in the far future, there's a need to record and preserve information. The transcription device we see in Dune Part 2 is a fascinating blend of advanced technology and tangible output. Its sleek design features a metallic cylinder that stores transcribed text, surrounded by various controls for input and adjustment. It's a reminder that in the world of Dune, not all technology is about war and survival. There's also a place for knowledge and record keeping. As we've seen, the world of Dune is a masterclass in design and world building. Pay attention to these details. They're the building blocks of this incredible world. And, as always, thank you for watching. See you next week.